Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am very glad to introduce you to a very favorite app of mine. It is fabulous not only by its name but also by doing its job. Previously, I have always been tired and unmotivated, but by using this app I am now more productive than ever, and I use this app every day to go through all my daily activities. This is a routine app and also a motivator. It motivates me every day and also helps me finish everything in my to-do list. You have already seen the notification in the notification panel. So I'm going to show you how to download this app and live a more productive life. So first we go to Play Store and search for Fabulous, Fabulous, Fabulous. The first that app comes here by the Fabulous is the app. All you have to do is download and install it. I have already installed this on my phone. Now we have to open to proceed. By inputting all your information, you help set up a routine. For example, I wake up at 7:30 a.m. every day, and I do believe that I have the ability to change myself and transform my behavior for the better. You see here, the first challenge is to drink water. I have always found that I drink less water than I want to, than is necessary. So at first this app helps me drink water every day. There is a morning ritual here, and it says drink water. So by using this, I started drinking water every day in the morning just after getting up. You see, there are many other facilities in this app. Let's check out the morning habits, the morning rituals. You can add habits here. For example, you can add the 8-minute exercise and take vitamins, showers, meditate, take your medicine, and also many other activities you can do in this app. So this is basically a to-do app. All you have to do is wake up in the morning and tick all the things you have done and complete all your other things that are not that you haven't done already. Now by ticking all this, you already get a satisfaction, and it helps to complete all your activities every day. This app also has motivation meditation sessions. For example, if you go add meditation, see there is already a meditation session here. By using this, you can meditate in this app without downloading any other app. So by using this app, you can continue and have a fixed daily routine, and you can also meditate. Also, there is an assistant in this app that helps you keep up with your goals and also motivates you. By using this app, my life has been more productive than ever. So I recommend this app to you. You can easily download it from the Play Store. Okay guys, bye for now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.